Hello everyone, I am Sukirti. I am an educator guiding, helping and motivating students from last so many years. Welcome to my channel Learn, Practice, Achieve. आपने मेरे पहले 2 वीडियो देखा होगा, उसमें हमने जैसे सारे क्वेश्चन सिंपल और इजी वे में करा था, वही तरीका अपना के हम आगे भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे और आज हम शुरू करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 1.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 से। तो शुरू करें। Now we will start with question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Okay. So when we will read the question, first of all, remember that we have to find out which type of question it is. Whether it is a LCM based question or SCA based question. Okay. So here, because it is written maximum number of columns, always remember it is related to SCF. Okay, highest, maximum, largest. When these words are coming, always remember this is a SCF based question. Okay, now first we have to find out what are the two numbers from which we will take out the SCF. So the numbers are 616 and 32. Because it is 616 is a bigger number, so this will be a dividend and 32 will be a divisor. So first write down the number of members in the army, that is 616. Then number of members in the band, that is equal to 32. Okay, so now we have to find out the SCF of 616 and 32. So 32 and 616. So 1 ja 32. Then 6 will come down. Then if you will take 9, then your remainder is coming 8. If remainder is 8, then we can't find out the SCF because remainder should be 0 to get the SCF. Here remainder is not 0. That is why again we have to take or we have to find out the SCF. So which two number we will take now? Now we will take 32 and 8. And 32 will be act as a dividend and 8 will be act as a divisor. So 8, 32, then the remainder is 0. So because here the remainder is equal to 0, then what is SCF? SCF is equal to 8. And this can be written in the form of 32 is equal to 8 into 4 plus 0, which is in the form of Euclid's division lemma. So A is equal to BQ plus R. So what is the maximum number of columns? So the maximum number of columns is equal to 8. So 8 is your answer. Okay, now we will start question number 4. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Okay, so first of all, let the positive integer be a. So if we will use Euclid's division lemma, what is a? A is equal to BQ plus R, and where R is greater than equal to 0 and less than B. So according to the question, if you will see 3m and 3m plus 1, what is B here? B is equal to 3. Then if B is 3, then what is R? R is equal to either 0, 1 or 2. Okay. So if R is equal to 0, 1 and 2, so what is A now? A is equal to either 3Q or 3Q plus 1 or 3Q plus 2. Okay. Now we have to square this number to find out whether they are in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1 or not. So take first value. If a is equal to 3q, then what is the square of a? A square. Then you have to make square this side also. So this is equal to 9q square. So this is equal to, if you will take 3 as common, then 3q square inside the bracket. This can be written in the form of 3m, where m is equal to 3q square. Okay. Now if we will take the second part, a is equal to 3q plus 1. So when you will square it, a square, then you have to square the other side also, 3q plus 1 whole square. And this can be written in the form of a plus b whole square. So when you will open the bracket, you will get 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Now we will take common from 9q square plus 6q. So take 3 as common. So inside the bracket, 3q square plus 2q, and this one will remain outside. Now this can be written as 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q. Okay. In the same way, we will find out the third one. If a is equal to 3q plus 2, then a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Again, use the same identity, a plus b whole square. So this is equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Now 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. It means we have split 4 into 3 plus 1. Now take common 3. So this is 3q square plus 4q plus 1, again plus 1. So this can be written as 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Hence, this term, what is expressed in the form of the number is expressed in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1 is proved. So hence we can write here, hence it is proved. Now we will do the last question of this exercise 1.1, that is question number 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. This question is exactly same as question number 4. There it was written square, here it is written cube. Okay. So I will just give you few hints how to solve, and rest of the part you will solve yourself. And if you will face any problem, write it through email or write it in the comment box. Okay. So first take the number, let the number be, let the positive integer be a. Again you have to use Euclid's division lemma. So what is a? A is equal to bq plus r, and the value of r is greater than equal to 0 and less than b. So what is b here? According to the question, b is equal to 9 here. But if we will take 9 as b, then what is the value of r? The value of r should be from 0 to 8. So calculation will be too long. Okay. So that is why in place of 9, we will not take 9, but we will take 3 as the value of b here. Why we will take 3 as the value of b? Because 3 is a factor of 9, as well as because it is a cube question. When we will multiply 9 and 3, you will get 27, which is also a cube number. Okay. So if b is equal to 3, then what is r? R is equal to either 0, 1 and 2, just like your previous question. Now if r is equal to 0, 1 and 2, what is a? A is equal to either 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Okay, so now we will put the value. If a is equal to 3 cube, then what is a cube? A cube is equal to 3 cube. Okay, 3 cube whole cube. So this is equal to 27 q cube. Now you will take 9 as common, because you're in the question it is given 9. So if you will take 9 as common, so the number remain here will be 3q cube. Okay, and this can be written as 9m, where m is equal to 3q cube. In the same way, you will find out the rest two part. If a is equal to 3q plus 1, then a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. So here you will use a plus b whole cube identity, and that is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So you can find out the answer on your own. Okay, in the same way, the third part, a is equal to 3q plus 2. So a cube is equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Again you will use the same identity and find out the result. क्लियर? अगर आपको मेरा आज का ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलना। अगर कहीं पे कुछ भी डाउट है तो आप ईमेल के थ्रू मेरे साथ कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, या कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट लिख सकते हैं, या 1-to-1 भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। सो प्लीज लाइक, share and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get my new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.